By now you've probably started using ChatGPT, right? It's a game changer. But did you know there are ways to make it even better? Most people think any question is a good question. But with ChatGPT, the quality of your question determines the quality of your answer. I've been frustrated with poor responses too. So, I spent time perfecting prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT. Here's what I found. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, as it helps me upload more helpful ChatGPT Prompt Engineering content like this. And stay tuned for an upcoming bonus tip later in the video. Before we dive into the tips, if you want to learn even more, I strongly suggest you check out the description or the pinned comment below for my comprehensive ebook, How to Use AI for Content and Marketing, with over 200 customizable ChatGPT prompts included. This book simplifies the process of using AI to optimize keywords for better reach and engagement. Learn how to harness the power of ChatGPT and please go to the description to get a link for your copy on Amazon. In this video, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT effectively for your content and marketing needs, the basics of ChatGPT engineering to get the best results, the top prompts for creating engaging content, how to use ChatGPT to craft compelling YouTube scripts that capture your audience's attention, how ChatGPT can benefit your business and marketing strategies, how to generate powerful social media posts with ChatGPT Prompts, how to enhance your content creation process with AI prompts tailored to your needs, how marketers can leverage ChatGPT for better results. So tip 1, custom instructions. First, leverage your custom instructions by clicking on your profile icon. This feature lets you tell ChatGPT who you are and what you need. For example, if you're a teacher, student, or developer, provide that context. If you want region-specific answers, mention your location. Specify how you want ChatGPT to respond, formal, casual, with or without detailed explanations. This helps to avoid repetitive back and forth interaction with ChatGPT. Imagine you're planning a trip and need ChatGPT to suggest itineraries. By setting custom instructions, you can tell ChatGPT to prioritize outdoor activities and historical sites, and to provide brief descriptions without extensive explanations. Another useful tip is to ask ChatGPT to include the confidence level of its answers and provide valid sources. This is especially helpful for factual topics. For instance, if you're researching climate change statistics, you can ask ChatGPT to include the confidence level of its data and cite reliable sources like IPCC or NASA. Tip 3, write in your style. Teach ChatGPT to mimic your writing style by providing examples of your work. It will then save your style for future use. Let's say you write a lot of technical manuals. Provide ChatGPT with a few sections from your manual. It will then generate new content that maintains the technical precision and clarity your readers expect. Tip 4, self-critique. Ask ChatGPT to critique its own responses. It can then analyze and provide feedback on clarity, examples, and more. This helps you refine the responses further. After generating a summary of a complex topic, ask ChatGPT to review its own summary for any missing critical points or potential areas of confusion. It will suggest improvements in clarity of its previous response. Tip 5, self-promoting. Use ChatGPT to generate its own prompts for optimal results. For instance, if you need an email for a team building event, ask it to create several prompts and choose the best one. If you're preparing a presentation and need key points, ask ChatGPT to generate multiple sets of key points for your topic. Choose the best set or combine elements from different sets for a comprehensive presentation. Tip 6, specify output formats. Specify how you want the output formatted, whether it's a table, a CSV, or HTML. ChatGPT can deliver the desired format for features, pricing, and user ratings. This can be directly used in your reports or presentation. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming sessions. Now, as I promised you, we're going to get into a bonus tip. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming sessions. Imagine having a virtual brainstorming partner that never runs out of ideas. Whether you're searching for fresh content ideas, innovative marketing strategies, or creative project concepts, ChatGPT can be your go-to resource for endless inspiration. And here's how you can make the most out of it. Start by defining your theme or goal. For example, if you're planning a marketing campaign, ask ChatGPT to generate creative slogans, campaign concepts, or audience engagement strategies? Do you need content ideas? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm blog topics, video series themes, or social media post concepts tailored to your niche and audience. Are you working on a project? Whether it's a project launch, a new business venture, or an artistic project, ChatGPT can provide you with a plethora of innovative ideas and approaches. The best part, you can refine the generated ideas by asking follow-up questions or requesting more specific suggestions, ensuring that you get the most relevant and actionable insights. Simply prompt ChatGPT with your initial question like, list 10 unique blog post ideas for a travel blog, or suggest creative marketing strategies for a tech startup, and watch the brainstorming magic unfold. The more specific you are, the more tailored and useful the suggestions will be. Using ChatGPT for brainstorming not only saves you time, but also expands your creative horizon by introducing perspectives and ideas you might not have considered. It's like having a team of creative thinkers at your fingertips, ready to assist at any time. So, these tips will help you get the most out of ChatGPT or any large language model AI. Remember, the quality of your input determines the quality of your output. If you want to explore more about using AI for content and marketing, don't miss out on my ebook, How to Use AI for Content and Marketing, with over 200 customizable ChatGPT prompts included. I strongly suggest you go to the description or the pinned comment below and get your copy at Amazon. Let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn or if I missed any important tips. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. Click here for the next video.